check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is my city, and this is kind of the outside of it. Some pretty cool buildings up there, and then we're just going to zoom through here real quick, and then you can see some of the murals on the wall right here. There you go. So they have an event for the week, and this part is a little bit connected with Portugal, very connected. So they have some for different Portuguese cities as well, and we're just going to show you a little bit of the scenery right here. So there we go. And that blue building over there is Zhuhai. And this right here is the scene. We're just gonna walk in real quick. Just gonna walk into this space. There it is.
Toma cuidado la porfidía.